Hey everyone, in this video I'll be explaining how to turn on or turn off your standby display on iOS. Now what you want to do is you want to go into settings and you want to scroll down until you see standby. Once you click on standby, you'll be given the option to either turn it on or turn it off. Now if you want to conserve your battery life, I suggest you turn it off. However, if you like seeing your time and other widgets while your display is off, then make sure to turn it on. And once you turn it on, you also have the option of going into your display and changing it to automatically turning off after 20 seconds or never. You also have the option of displaying the standby mode with a red tint in low ambient lighting by turning on night mode, or motion to wake, where the display will turn on when motion is detected at night. Now, you can also turn on show preview on tap only. However, that is up to your choice. And if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.